Hi everyone, this is a demo for my website Definitious. Definitious is an online dictionary which I believe has more features than any other dictionary website. So rather than telling you about it, I'll show you. So here's the front page. It has definition of the day, which is the highest voted definition from the previous day. The most recent definition and a random definition, which you can just refresh by clicking on this button, and it will get a random definition from the database. So I'm going to connect with Facebook. A lot of websites are implementing these days, so you gotta have it. So log in and just wait for it to load. Alright, so I'm in. So you can vote on definitions just by clicking the buttons. So I'm going to vote this up, and if you vote it up, you get prompted and get asked if it's helpful, funny, or poetic. And this definition says, 1. Leroy Jenkins, one who does not grasp the concept of caution. Everyone's seen this video, so they know what it's about. I'm going to say it's a funny definition. And as you click these buttons, the chart will adjust accordingly, but I'm just going to keep it as funny. But if you don't like it, you can vote it down and say why you don't like it. Say it's inaccurate, mature, or offensive. I don't think it's any of these, so I'm just going to leave that as voted up. Now you can also define any word or add definitions to any word that's already defined. So I'm going to pick a word and search for it. So double rainbow is not defined yet, so I can choose to define it. But let's say I didn't want to define it and I just want to know what it was. I can always just search for what it was right inside the page, and I can expand this window. Just have to give it a few seconds. Okay, never mind. So I can see definitions from sites right inside of here, from Wikipedia, right inside the page, and I can do multiple websites and look at them side by side. So, but I'm going to define it, and so this is how it looks like when you're going to define it. And you have 140 characters to define it, kind of like Twitter. And I'm going to write, apparently it's the most amazing and unbelievable thing you can ever see. And I'm gonna give a link to the double rainbow video on YouTube. Just give the link straight from YouTube. I don't have to get the embed link, and I select the part of speech and I define it. And as you see, the video gets automatically embedded and you can watch it in the page.
Whoa, that's a full rainbow. Oh.
Now, next up, also you can, if a word is defined, you can always see the definitions right in the page by clicking on the buttons to the left. So next up, you can see users' profiles by clicking on their usernames. So I'm going to go to new definitions. Wait for that to load. Come on. Alright, so these are the newest definitions. You can just browse through them. But anyways, what I want to show you is that you can click on a user's name, and then you can see his profile and see all of his stats. This user has got like 12 times, and he's voted as a helpful user because most of his definitions are helpful. And as you can see, vote is helpful, vote is helpful and funny. And so I'm on his page and I like his stuff, so I can follow him. And you can see who he's following and who's his followers. So if I refresh the page, you'll see that now I'm following him. And now if I go to newsfeed, you'll see that all of his definitions are in my newsfeed. And if I follow more people, they'll go in my newsfeed too. So also you can check out the top definitions just based on whatever you want to give it. You can say find the funniest ones from this week just by sorting through them. And apparently the Leroy Jenkins video is the funniest one. And there's also some cool things like you can enter the Konami code up, up, down, down, left, right, BAA, enter, just to get to secret games. That's just a little fun thing. Or you can just go to the normal games that I wrote, Hangman, Tetris, and Scramble. But that's the website. I hope you use it. I think that's it. Thanks a lot. Yeah, one last thing. You should check out Definitious on your mobile device because this is what it'll look like. It'll be mobile friendly and it'll basically look like this little screen for you. And it's really nice. Just check it out. Thanks a lot.